Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Now, it's the turn of PF Academy Risalpur. Aviation Cadet Rehan Javed is going to come up on the stage. The topic of his speech is Chop Their Tongues, for they speak for justice. Aviation Cadet Rehan Javed.
I welcome you all to my land, to this land of the pure, where there is a court of injustice. I see a man who enters this court of law, weighed by the chains of injustice, tears dripping from his eyes. He drags his feet towards the dock, and as he speaks, blood dripping from his mouth, and on every single drop, a voice: justice, justice. My lord, the accused is none other than Burhan Muzaffar Wani of Kashmir. His crime: he gave conscience for his fellow Kashmiris to fight and die for their land. The verdict: death. For the law of my land says, chop their tongues, for they speak for justice. Dragged towards the dock, I see the accused Christian couple. The crime: a minority who spoke for the rights of their community in a so-called minority-loving country, and the verdict again: death. For the law of my land says, chop their tongues, for they speak for justice. Dragged towards the dock, I see the activist of Karachi. I see Khurram Zaki. His crime: he fought for human rights and hats off to my democracy. The verdict: death. For the law of my land remains unchallenged. Chop their tongues, for they speak for justice. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dragged towards the dock, I see a father of 6 children, the accused Muhammad Baksh. His crime: fought for the only piece of land he had. And here it comes, the verdict: death. He cries, he shouts, tell me anyone, would you please, why this chaos, why this lack of peace? For man has been killing for time so long, but he kills just man and not the wrong. Our society is filled with injustice, haunted by prejudice, for this law has cursed my land that says, chop their tongues, for they speak for justice. Chop their tongues, for they speak for justice. I witnessed this pitiful affliction with the people of my country. I try to digest it, but I choke. Because when I was coming up the stairs, my ears heard those giggles and my eyes saw those jokes. Why the long faces, gentlemen? Just look back and see. For you are the roar of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. One man, banished, outlaw, for it was the outcome of his struggle. For every single battle fought for justice was won. So chop our tongues, but we speak for justice. For you are the roar of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Despite of all those hardships from those feudal Hindu lords, he raises the flag of truth and says, Pakistan Zindabad. So chop our tongues, for we speak for justice. For you are the roar of Hazrat Bilal. His body burdened under those heavy stones and was asked to say, your gods are Lat and Uzza, so testify your faith in them. He stands as he refuses. The pagans of Arabia marked his blood, and the minarets of Arabia still resonate. Ahad, ahad, ahad. So chop our tongues, for we speak for justice. Oh oppressor, hear me if you can. Enough of this injustice, enough of this prejudice. For this man in this blue uniform shall pledge, you come, chop our tongues, for we live for, fight for, and die for justice. For we live for, fight for, and die for justice. For justice delayed, ladies and gentlemen, is justice denied. I rest my case.
This was Aviation Cadet Rehan Javed.